Which of the following is a true statement? Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A. Mortimer's proposal of 1 million square kilometer cutoff mark has no opposition. The third paragraph makes a reference to this proposal of 1 million square kilometer cutoff mark, and the passage mentions that if this limit is accepted, Zealandia would be considered a continent, although it would be considered a small continent. But the passage doesn't make any suggestion about whether there is any opposition to this cutoff mark. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice B. Ernst opines that Madagascar should be considered a mini continent. The fourth paragraph has a reference to Ernst, and it mentions that Ernst proposes the term mini component, which would be applicable to Zealandia. However, the passage makes no suggestion regarding what Ernst believes about Madagascar. Madagascar is already considered a microcontinent. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice C. India, before it merged with Eurasia, was a full-blown continent. The fourth paragraph has a reference to India before it merged with Eurasia, and the passage mentions that the new term mini component would be applicable to India in that time. So it is incorrect to state that India in that time was a full-blown continent. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. Gondwana was a supersized landmass that suffered disintegration around 100 million years ago. The fifth paragraph mentions that Zealandia probably was a part of the supercontinent Gondwana, which was a supersized landmass before the landmass began peeling off around 100 million years ago. So this reference indicates that Gondwana was a supersized landmass that underwent disintegration about 100 million years ago. This is a good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice E. Breaking up of large landmass generally results in lowering the region below sea level. The passage mentions that Zealandia was a part of a supercontinent Gondwana, and when the continent broke, Zealandia went below sea level. However, the passage doesn't say that whenever a supercontinent grows, the region goes below sea level. The passage makes no generalization about this case. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate this answer choice. D is the correct answer.